Hello students, you all must be aware of the change in the syllabus or the reduction in the syllabus made by ICSE board for the coming year 2020-21 due to this COVID outbreak, and the syllabus provided in the ICSE CISE.org website is a very detailed manner. I'm going to bring you actually the removed syllabus of physics for class 10th 2020-21. What all syllabus has been removed from the physics topic. So the first one that I have is from the chapter machine. From the chapter machine we can understand here that the topic liver has been completely removed. It used to have liver, its principle, first, second and third class of liver, examples based on mechanical advantage and velocity ratio in each case of the liver, and example of each of these classes of liver as also found in the human body used to be there. Now this whole topic is removed. Now if we talk about the next chapter is through refraction through a lens. From this chapter, if you see, so many topics have been removed, like if you see here, refraction through a lens, in which it had simple direct numerical problems based on lens, which has been removed. Now magnifying glass or simple microscope has been removed. Location of image and magnification from ray diagram related to magnifying glass and simple microscope has been removed, and the formula and the numerical problems which were based on it are not included now. Application of lenses are also not included. So this we need to know. Then if we talk about the next chapter, spectrum, from the next chapter spectrum, if you see, then the topic like simple application of scattering of light, blue color of the sky and all, there used to be some examples and detailed study of that has been removed. The rest all topics are there as it is. Now if we move to the next topic, next chapter, say sound. Sound is the mostly affected chapter, we can say. Maximum topics have been removed from sound and electromagnetism only. So if we see the chapter sound here, then the topics which are removed are characteristics of sound, such as loudness, intensity, subjective and objective nature of these properties, sound level in decibel as unit only, and the noise pollution, interdependence of pitch and frequency, quality and waveforms. Their examples have been removed, but their meanings and factors affecting still included. Means we need to know the meaning of loudness, intensity, and then quality, frequency, pitch. We need to know waveforms, what is it, and we need to understand the factors which affects them. So now if we talk about the next chapter, household circuit. So from the chapter household circuit, the whole house wiring, that ring system which was there, has been removed. Power distribution has been removed. Circuit diagram related to two-way switch, which was that staircase wiring, that how two ways a switch works, that has been removed. These topics have been removed. Now the major, that mostly affected chapter is electromagnetism, as I told you. So electromagnetism and sound are mostly, you can say, it has the changed the syllabus in the broad manner. Electromagnetism, the DC electric motor, simple sketch of main parts, coil, magnet, split ring, commutator and brushes. So motor is there, but the simple sketch based on that have been removed. Now only we have to generally study about motor, their meaning and all. Brief description and type of energy transfers, no need. AC generator, also simple sketch and main part, brief description and type of energy transfer, now no need. And the whole transformer section has been removed. Transformer, its type, characteristics of the primary and the secondary coil in each type, and simple label diagrams and its uses of transformer. The whole transformer topic has been removed. And last but not the least is the modern physics, nuclear physics, we can say radioactivity. So here in radioactivity, nuclear fission and fusion topic has been removed, and the basic introduction and equation related to nuclear fission and fusion have been completely removed. Rest all topics are there as it is. Hope you like the video. It was detailed description of what all topics have been removed from the physics ICSE 2020-21 syllabus. The new reduced syllabus does not contain all these topics. The rest all are as it is. Thank you.